Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing audio sync issues where Netflix sound does not match the video, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the problem. Step 1. Pause the Netflix content you are watching and wait a few seconds. Resume playback to see if the audio sync issue resolves automatically. Step 2. Close the Netflix app or browser completely and reopen it. Sometimes refreshing the player can fix temporary audio synchronization problems. Step 3. Check if the audio sync issue occurs with other Netflix titles. If only one title is affected, the problem may be with that specific content. Step 4. Restart your device completely by turning it off and on again. This clears temporary system issues that may affect audio playback. Step 5. Check your device's audio settings and disable any audio enhancement features, such as surround sound or audio processing that might cause delays. Step 6. If using external speakers or a soundbar, check the connection and try adjusting the audio delay settings on your audio device to compensate for lag. Step 7. Update the Netflix app to the latest version by visiting your device's app store. Outdated apps may have bugs affecting audio synchronization. Step 8. Test Netflix on a different device to determine if the issue is device-specific. If sync problems persist across devices, contact Netflix support for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.